Hi, my name is Ben and I'm 10 years old. I'm a arts and creativity specialist on a blog we created called YazzMatz.blog.com. And I want to show you how to make a boat, which I have already right here. I'm going to do origami to make a boat for you. The first step is fold it into a hot dog shape and then open it back up. Okay. And fold these on the from the outside. And then do the same thing to the other side. And then you put it like this. You fold it in half with these coming facing this way. Then you take this part, not the one with the flappy, this part,
folded part,
put it downward facing toward you, and fold one corner to the other corner. And then you have to fold it again and make sure it is touching this top. And fold it again. And then fold this so it also touches the top from the bottom.
Okay.
And do the same thing on the other side. Make another corner. Oh, come on. And there's a tricky part. You grab these parts.
The folded or
if
the
you
open?
rip it, I think it would be a major problem. You put these out. Yeah, this might work. You put these parts out. Then you just straighten it out a little bit. With some parts that are not very right. And there is a origami boat.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Who's your Kami?